before we start this review, I want to let you guys know that this Channel 12 review shirt you guys can now purchase at teesprings.com/stores/Channel 12. Get them now while they last. Yeah. Channel 12 here, and welcome back to another food review. Today we are checking out Kit Kat chocolate bars. So I stumbled upon two new flavors of Kit Kat, and I thought I would review these for you guys to let you guys know my opinion and what I think about these products. So, like I said, I stumbled upon these two new flavors. We got the Cookie Crumble, and we got the Caramel Crisp. And I'm going to do both of these in one review because I figured I'll let you guys know at the end on which one is my favorite. But I can honestly say probably the Caramel Crisp will be my favorite because I'm not really a Cookie Crumble kind of guy, but we'll see. We'll try them both for you guys. So I've already opened these because I shared them with my family like I always do. They do come in these very small chocolate bars. There's like 2 Kit Kats in each bar. So we're going to try both of them, like I said. So we're going to get one of the Cookie Crumble and one of the Caramel Crisp. So we got both of them right here. So which one is your favorite if you guys have tried this yet? So let's try the Caramel Crisp first. So I love caramel. And with chocolate, that's even a bonus. So maybe we'll separate them. Okay, got 2 Kit Kats. Let's try it. Kit Kat has always been like one of my top favorites. Not my favorite, but one of my top, maybe my top 5 favorites. That milk chocolate with that nice cookie. I can definitely taste that caramel, that crunch. That's why it's called a caramel crunch. So the caramel crunch is pretty good. Now we're going to try the Cookie Crumble. I thought there was a way to open these, because I know some chocolate bars that they open them by like the sleeve, but I guess you have to just open it like regular. Oh, that was easy. So I can honestly say the actual Cookie Crumble is actually pretty good. They're not bad, actually. But I would have to say the Caramel Crunch, or is it? No, Caramel Crisp tastes a little bit better. But both of them are really good. So it's kind of like, it's a hard decision. It is a very hard decision which one I like, because they both taste good. There you go, everyone. That was the Kit Kat Cookie Crumble and Caramel Crisp chocolate bar. It's hard. It's a very hard decision. They're both really good, sweet. I love that cookie taste with that Kit Kat. I would have to say, if I was to choose a flavor, I'm going to have to go with Caramel Crisp because I love caramel in chocolate. It's my weakness. I love chocolate with caramel. Cookie Crumble, actually, it just kind of blew me away because I'm not a Cookie Crumble kind of guy in chocolate. But this kind of like surprised me. And this was actually pretty delicious. For ratings, I'm going to give the Caramel Crisp a 5 out of 5. From me to you. You got to try it, the Caramel Crisp. The Cookie Crumble, I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. It's still pretty good, but I do prefer the Caramel Crisp. So check these both out. These are fantastic. If you guys love cookie and cream, you guys will definitely like the Cookie Crumble. And if you guys love caramel, you guys will definitely love the Caramel Crisp. Try them both. Try them both, then come back and then let me know what you guys all think and which one is your favorite. But for those who have tried these one already, let me know in the comment section below on which one is your favorite. Is it the cookie or the caramel? Let me know. I'm always curious, and let's try to have a conversation about this. Hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more chocolate bar reviews, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe as always, and don't forget to turn on my post notification on so you never miss a review. All my links, my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and of course, cooking videos. So until next time, peace.
Yeah.